Hey guys, it's Super Bunny 310332 here, and today is Rare Item Monday. I am just gonna show you what Rare Item Monday is, and I also am gonna give a shout out. These are the Rare Item Monday. It's the rift flippers for underwater animals. I wanted to do a shout out to Jennifer 1700. She makes AJ videos. I'll put her link in the description below. Subscribe to her. Yeah. Also, the friendship party is now on. Bring your best friend or random friend to the party and have fun, I guess. That's really all for today. I'm Super Bunny 310332, and subscribe. Bye.